This is Dr. Sukdeb Datta, CEO of Datta Endoscopic Back Surgery and Pain Center located in New York, USA. We have 11 locations in New York and New Jersey, as well as our own AAAC accredited ambulatory surgical center in New Jersey, United States. I'm very excited to present at the 4th Advanced Interventional Management of Pain Conference in the beautiful city of Bengaluru, India from September 30 to October 2. This promises to be an excellent meeting, bringing forward the best minds in interventional pain management in the world. I'll be faculty both in the lectures as well as the cadaver workshops and hope to see you all there. I'm sure this will be a highly attended meeting and will encourage participants to have the best interactions with the experts as well as the colleagues. I'll be talking on endoscopic spine surgery and the business of pain medicine and hope to exchange some of my experiences in the United States at the meeting. Hope to see you there from September 30 to October 2, 2023. Bye for now.